Oh wait, did my Beauty Pie delivery just arrive? Yes!
Yeah. Slow-mo. Let me look. Yeah, turn it up.
So love delivery day. I love delivery day. And the delivery guy literally just left this on my doorstep yesterday evening, and I went outside and I got it and I was like, yay! Okay, I know you can hear my excitement because I have seen Beauty Pie almost every single day for this entire month. And just a few weeks ago, I decided, you know what? I will join and I will become a member. Now, if you don't know what Beauty Pie is, that's perfectly fine. This is what this video is all about. Basically, Beauty Pie is a buyer's club for skincare enthusiasts like myself, where we pay a monthly membership fee and we're able to purchase these luxury products for a reduced cost. So you sign up for as little as £10 per month, which is the one that I receive, and then you get an allowance every month of 100 or 200 or 300 depending on your membership. Now, the prices that you pay are not the same as the retail prices. So you're actually paying almost some 75% less than what the retail price is. And I'm going to show you all of the products that I received in my box. And I'm going to go through the ingredients. I'm going to go through the costs. And I'm going to go through and show you some of the textures as well. Now you may be skeptical and wonder, why is the price so low? Who would want to sell their products for like less than retail price? I know. But the brainchild and beauty guru Marcia Kilgore, she has created other brands like Soap and Glory and Bliss and Soaper Duper. So she already knows the labs that create these wonderful cosmetic products. So she decided to create this concept where everyone can have access to luxury products directly from the manufacturers, directly from the labs, and just cut out the middleman. Now, let's get into the products. So the first product that I purchased was this Plantastic Micro-Peeling Super Drops Purifying, Exfoliating, Perfecting with Fruit Smoothers and Salicylic Acid. This is formulated with banana, cassia, and mango fruit, black willow bark, kiwi berry, stem cells, Vitabright, and biosurfactant. And I'm going to switch the box over so that you can see the directions for use as well as some of the ingredients. You can see that it was made in Switzerland, and you know Switzerland got some good products. And I'm going to open this up for you and show you how the product looks. The Plantastic Micro-Peeling Super Drops, the typical price for this product is £50 and members pay £9.42. This is a 50ml glass bottle, and the website says a couple of drops of this every day and you might be in awe of your own skin. The best thing for keeping breakouts at bay, skin looking bright, pores refined and tight. These super drops are an easy everyday addition to your skincare routine. Use it once or twice a week for maintenance, or if you're battling with breakouts, then you could use it every day. So this is the Super Healthy Skin Deep Purifying Cleanser with pore clearing white clay, oil absorbing kaolin, and smoothing lactic acid. These are the directions for use, as well as a brief look at the ingredients in this one. And you can also see that this one is made in the USA. So there are different labs for different products. It is formulated with kaolin, lactic acid, montmorillonite clay, lauric acid, and glycerin. So let's go ahead and open up this box and show you the product. The typical price for this is £22 and members pay £8.22, and it is 100ml with a 4.5 average rating. So if you want a spa clean complexion, no appointment necessary, this gently foaming super clay cleanser is like a facial at your fingertips. With oil absorbing kaolin, clay, and microbe-fighting lauric acid, this cleanser will be your new obsession. And this is a full size, this is a good size product. I'm gonna go ahead and show you the texture on this one. Now, what I would like to point out is that Beauty Pie does not directly ship to Ireland, which is where I live. So I actually had to order these products and send it to a freight forwarder in Northern Ireland and then have them directly ship it to me. But I do know that they have launched in the US, so you should be able to access these products from the UK as well as the US. Next up is the Super Pore-Detox Purifying Black Clay Mask with glycolic, lactic, and salicylic acids, purifying kaolin clay, eucalyptus oil, smooth bamboo spheres, and white tea. So these are the directions and a brief look at the ingredients in this product. And you can see that this one is also made in Switzerland. It is formulated with glycolic and lactic acids, bamboo spheres, kaolin clay, salicylic acid, white tea, cucumber, comfrey, and licorice, antiseptic, eucalyptus oil, soothing chamomile, and softening calendula flower. Okay, so let's open up this one and show you the product. The typical price for this one is £35 and members pay £8.51. This is a 75 ml sized product and the average rating on this is 4.7 with 123 reviews. So this Purifying Clay Mask is the master of all mud masks, the queen of the deep pore clean, the super of skin detox. With glycolic, salicylic, and lactic acids, kaolin clay, and buffing bamboo and natural licorice and eucalyptus, it's a pore declogging tour de force for an oily or partly oily face. Try it and witness your own T-zoning doing a 10-minute turnaround. And this is the texture of this product. And just a quick note, in case you missed it, this product is said to be recommended for oily or partly oily face. Now, my skin is combination, so I would just use this in my T-zone area as suggested on the website, or if I have breakouts, then I would just use it mainly for breakouts. Next up is the Super Healthy Skin Daily Moisture Lotion with biomimetic youth peptides, hyaluronic acid, physalis extract, and shea butter. This is a brief look at the directions for use as well as the list of ingredients, and you can see that this one is also made in Switzerland. So this is formulated with powerful anti-aging peptides, naturally derived skin mimicking pentavidin, antioxidants, plant extracts, shea butter, and radiant boosting winter Daphne stem cell extract. To be honest, most of these I've never heard of. So if you want to do your research, I implore you to do a little bit of research to make sure that what they're saying is actually something that you would agree with. But so far everything looks really nice, and I like the size of this product as well. It looks really nice, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you the texture on this one as well. So this Super Healthy Skin Daily Moisture Lotion, the typical price for this is £35 and members pay £8.46. The size of this is 50 ml and it has a 4.5 star rating with 365 reviews. It's packed with youth boosters, hyperhydrators, shea butter, powerful plant stem cells, antioxidants, and physavi to help fight inflammation. Okay, so this is the final product that I got in my box, and this is super heavy. This is the Plantastic Apricot Butter Cleansing Balm. It's nourishing, deep cleansing, purifying with cold pressed rosehip oil and vitamin E. It is formulated with cold pressed rosehip oil, antioxidant vitamin E, apricot butter, and a blend of natural oils for nourished, healthy skins. And this is a brief look at the directions as well as the ingredients, and you can see that this one was made in Italy. Wow, that's really cool. Now, the only reason that I ended up purchasing or adding this to cart because this had really good reviews. There's 715 reviews with a 4.6 rating, and beauty guru Caroline actually spoke highly of this. I'm going to put the link in the description for what Caroline had to say. Okay, so the typical price for this cleansing balm is £50 and members pay £15. That's 1 5 and 78 pence. So this is actually 100 ml size. So this is gonna last you a long time. And as I said, it's a totally deluxe cleansing balm that's so good it almost makes you feel guilty. So it's made with cold pressed rose hip seed oil, apricot butter, and vitamin E. And this balm is gonna melt your makeup away and breaks into a milk for a super moisturized, clean, and totally refreshed face. As you can see, it comes with a booty pie spatula, so you don't have to use your hands in there. And this is how it looks. Bam! There you have it. Those are the 5 products that I picked out for my first beauty pie box. I am super excited with these products. I can't wait to use them and then give you guys a full review of these products. I will put a link down in the description if you are interested in any of these products. And I hope this video was super helpful for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and make sure you give this a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.